We are from the Youth Dementia Club, a youth-driven initiative to spread dementia awareness and bridge the knowledge gap between youth and dementia. We will be having community outreach events at healthcare facilities targeting the elderly and caregivers to improve dementia literacy and to also promote early detection of dementia through health screenings. Join us on our journey, and prevention starts from you.
Could you give me 3 words to describe today's event?
Good team management, environment too, and also very supportive environment.
Well organized. Everybody is very friendly and helpful, full of information. Informative,
Mind-opening.
very helpful.
We are Team Remind Me from RUMC. We are honored to build an app, Remind Me, an app to empower caregivers for people with dementia with knowledge, better communication, and well-being.
Join us along this journey in raising awareness on the silent struggles of dementia caregivers. Follow our Instagrams because Remind Me remind you.
Take care of yourself to take care of others.
Memory Moves on Wheels is on a mission to spark conversations about memory and brain health right where people are. We roll into campuses and communities with games, stories, and activities that open minds and heart to dementia awareness. Be the reason someone's story is remembered.
Come aboard and
support Memory Moves on Wheels!
Brain health can't wait!